Welcome to Swedish Satellite Systems. When transmitting data from remote locations or covering live news, you want a minimum of hassle. The Swedish IPT suitcase is the world's most compact and quickest to air satellite uplink. It's a one-person operation, easy to use with a graphical user interface, and IP-based for email, web, FTP or streaming video. It's rugged for field transmission, used by military forces around the world. It enables fast and easy relocation. You can be up and transmitting in less than 5 minutes. Let us show you how the IPT suitcase works. The Swedish IPT suitcase system is truly mobile and easily transportable. Along with your auxiliary equipment, like a camera, you can get everything into a small vehicle. That means you can be first on the scene when it really counts. Setting up the system and acquiring the satellite is straightforward. The first step in setting up the IPT is to roughly line it up towards south. There is a small compass built into the top cover to help you. Once this is done, unlock and open the lid and note the antenna segments stowed inside. Fold up the feed arm and lock it into place. Now start removing the segments from the antenna lid. You can see here a close-up of the fasteners. They're very accurate and very safe. Once all this is done, start connecting the cables. The power cable is a military standard IP65 connection. The LAN cable is also fully ruggedized. The power converter is a unique product to Swedish that allows you to use both car batteries as a power source and shore power. Once you've got everything else sorted out and connected, the next thing to do is to fire up your laptop and to log in to the IPT. The IPT is operated through a standard web browser, and you can log in as either user or administrator. The next thing to do is to instruct the antenna to go to the start position. Once this is done, you can select any of the pre-stored satellites and then press go for the antenna to select and locate the satellite. The antenna uses the inbuilt GPS and the electronic compass to steer itself to the correct position, no matter where you are in the world. As the antenna is moving, you can see the azimuth and elevation figures change on screen, also the signal level as you get close to the satellite. You can also adjust the position manually using fine and coarse adjustment buttons. When you find the best alignment to the satellite, you can then select the parameters for your transmission. These can be pre-stored, or you can do everything manually at the time. The next stage is to go up on the satellite. First of all, you'll start transmission with a low-level carrier. When the satellite operator tells you that he can see the carrier, you should then move up to the full power level and adjust the power accordingly. Finally, you will get the OK from the satellite operator, and you can add the modulation. Your signal levels can be preset, and you can also store the telephone number to the control center for the satellite operator on the same screen for your convenience. The picture quality from the IPT suitcase works well for breaking news and gives full SDI resolution. When you've finished your uplink, all you need to do is press the finished button and the transmission will end automatically. Once the antenna is in the upright position, you need to disassemble the antenna segments as shown on the screen. Then press finished and log out. Unlock the brake and fold down the antenna feed arm. And then finally, put the lid of the IPT back on and lock it into place. Swedish Satellite Systems. Have a nice trip.